So, welcome all to today's LeetCode challenge. This is our 289 day. Today's question is 146 course schedule code. This is a fourth part of series of code schedule. The problem statement states that there are a total of num courses you have to take labeled from 0 to n minus 1. You are given an array prerequisites where prerequisites of I equals to a of I comma b of I. That indicates that you must take a of I first if you want to take b of I. For example, for the pair 0 of 1, you must have to take course 0 before you want to take course 1. So prerequisite can also be indirected if course A is a prerequisite of course B and course B is a prerequisite of course C. Then A must be a prerequisite of course C as well. Like this is a directed edge toward A to C. If B has a directed edge from B to C and A has a directed edge from A to B. You are also given an array of queries where q of j is equals to uivi. For jth query, you should return the answer uij is a prerequisite of course j or not. Return in boolean array where answer is the answer to the ith query. For this, if num course is equals to 3, like this, prerequisite is from 1 comma 0 means 1 is directed towards the 0 means if you want to take course 1, then you always have to take course 0, and queries are 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 0. So what could be the answer for this? Let us code and find out what we can do in this. We can basically use the concept of topological sort in this. So let us make the adjacency matrix of n number of times the in degree vector and vector rule to store what how many nodes could be reachable from this particular node. Now we have to traverse on prerequisites first. And maintain our adjacency list. We have to basically build our adjacency list at prerequisite of every array's zeroth index is pointing towards every array's first index, like this. And we also have to get the in degree of the first index element of every prerequisite I, like this. Using this statement, we indicating that every one is pointing towards 0 means every prerequisite of this this inner vector is called for every pre, and then for every I e equals to 0 means for every this one is pointing towards e of 1 means this 0. So this maintain our adjacency list like this, and in degree of 0 is now 1 because there is one edge coming towards is 0 because of this. Now we can use our concept of topological sort, maintaining a queue that stores those nodes which have the in degree is equals to 0. If any of the numbers is in degree 0, then we have to push those node inside the queue. Now we move to our own queue until it is empty. Fetch the front node of queue from queue.front. Pop out that first node from the queue. Push back that node to top vector and then check for its neighbors in adjacency list if they have any in degree as 0 or not. If they have in degree as 0, then push those neighbors as well into QE. Now traverse on our top vector which store those nodes which nodes have the in degree is equals to 0. This top basically stores those nodes. Now we have to move on all the neighbors of any node that is present in top and find out what could be the possible way for that node to reach out to neighbor node if it is possible or not. Make this node is related or true. Now we have to maintain our this reach will now contains answer for every coordinate possible in Q query. So just iterate on our 2D Q query and push back the already present answer in reach vector. Now just return the final answer and let us check if it is running correctly or not. Yeah, it is running fine and let's submit. So it is running fine and this will complete our daily streak to 290 days. So thank you so much guys and keep learning, keep following us and do like and subscribe our channel for daily POTD on LeetCode. Thank you so much guys.